Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to show you guys our Dodge Challenger halo kits for the 08 to 14 Dodge Challenger. These are UCS2904 RGBW 12 volt LEDs. They are color flow, addressable flow series, many different names for it, but it does have that flowing RGBW animation. They are diffused, so as you can see here we have a nice white diffusion over top. That is not a plastic ring, and they are adhesive lined backing with a 3M tape to make securing them in place a little bit easier, but we do recommend using some kind of a fishing line or something like that just to ensure that they don't go anywhere. Maybe some glue, Gorilla Glue, something like that. These do have an output on each halo, so you can run them in series with something like a BlueGhozt or something like that to get a little bit of a nicer animation out of them. In our normal form, there are inputs for each one already attached, just like this, with plugs. I will be demoing these with our simple controllers available on the website with data inputs for the vehicle. So your basic startup animation is just like that, and then you have your turn signal function, which is a sequential turn signal function. In addition to that, you do have the color flow itself, and they are quite bright. So if you're looking for something a little bit brighter than the average set that you'll see out there, this is definitely what you're looking for. If you're familiar with the voltages, amperages, things like that, these are 12 volts at 17 milliamps per LED, versus what the typical set that you'll see out there is a 5 volt at 12 milliamps per LED. So that gives you an idea of the reasoning why they are so much brighter. They do a little bit of a beefier LED to them. So definitely something worth checking out. They are available for purchase on nextlevelneo.com. And these are compatible with the any RGBW controller, so SP105E, SP110, the BlueGhozt, which is my preferred controller, or we do have this one here if you want to try to go simple, easy, quick install, not a lot of wiring or headaches. This is a solid option. So that is available on the website. Once again, nextlevelneo.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.